Hi, Miss M6519. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day, employers in Hong Kong. My name is Maria Asan Romano, 44 years old. I have three kids, ages 21, 20, and 18. I have five different experience in working in abroad. First one is in Saudi Arabia, serving five people, including the newborn babies. I do household chores there, including cooking, babysitting, but my main duties is babysitting. And also, I work in Hong Kong for almost 5 years. My main duties there is babysitting also. I do cooking also, household chores, and marketing, car washing. Then after that, I go to Dubai. I serve three people. My main duties is cooking and cleaning. And I have also experience in Singapore. My main duties is cooking, babysitting, and household chores like cleaning, uh, ironing, washing, and car washing also. I also taking care of pets like cats, three cats.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experiences being a helper and taking care of a newborn, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes.
Okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I always check the baby's diaper first, and then after that, I try to feed him if he is hungry, and if the baby won't stop crying, I will check his temperature, and if the baby is having a high temperature, I will call my employer to inform them.
Okay. Why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
Uh, I want to work in Hong Kong because the salary is very good. So I need to earn more money for my kids because I am a single mother.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to work with them, then I will.
Okay. So you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food because you have experience in Hong
Yes,
Kong.
I have a lot of ideas on how to prepare a Chinese dish.
Okay. What kind of Chinese food can you
Like
prepare?
pork stew, beef stew, uh, pork braise, and I know how to make soup, and also I know how to steam the fish, and also I know how to make uh, chicken curry like that.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Of course,
It is okay to you to share a job with other helper.
it's okay.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay.
Taking care of elderly and pets. It is okay with you.
Pets,
It is okay with you.
yeah.
How about elderly? You don't
My
have experience yet.
I did, but I have also experience in elderly because my in my past employer, she has cancer.
Okay, so it is okay to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Your message for your future employer.
To my future employer, I hope you will choose me because uh, you can trust me. I am flexible and hardworking helper. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Maria Isel. Thank you.
Thank you.